Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about electric car charging stations and cost of owning one. With the rise of electric vehicles, many of us are now considering installing a charging station in our home or business. But how much does it actually cost? Let's find out. Segment 1: Home charging stations. There are two levels. Level 1 charging station. This is the most basic type of charging station and can be as simple as plug adapter that you use to charge your car using a regular household outlet. These adapters cost anywhere from $50 to $200. Level 2 charging stations. This type of charging stations is little more expensive and is what most people use when they install a charging station in their home. They typically cost anywhere from $400 to $1,200 and can be purchased from variety of manufacturers. Segment 2: Commercial charging stations. Level 2 charging stations for businesses. The cost of level 2 charging station can range from $2,000 to $5,000 or more, depending on your number of stations you want to install and the type of station you choose. Fast charging stations. These stations are designed for commercial use and can be much more expensive, with the cost ranging from 50,000 to 150,000 or more. Segment 3: Other costs to consider. Installation cost, maintenance cost, electricity cost. First, installation cost. In addition to the cost of the charging station itself, there are also installation costs to consider. This can include the cost of hiring an electrician, installing new electrical panels, or upgrading existing ones, and getting the necessary permits. Maintenance cost. You'll also want to consider the cost of maintenance for your charging station, which can include things like replacing parts and repairing any damage. Electricity cost. Finally, it is important to factor in the cost of electricity, which can vary greatly depending on where you live and time of the day you are charging your car. So there you have it. The cost of owning an electric car charging station can vary greatly depending on the type and size of your station you choose. But by considering all of the factors involving, you can make an informed decision about what is right for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it thumb up. Subscribe to my channel and get more great content. Thank you for watching.